side streets, subdivision streets, things like that might
normal
need some.
culprits.
Yeah,
Right. But overall, the roads are in really good shape. New Orleans will clear up for tomorrow, except their temperatures will be in the low 40s.
Whoa.
This is cold air, and this is just the start of cold air, but it's going all the way down almost to Miami over the next 3 days or so. So
They probably won't care by this time tomorrow night.
Well, you're probably right. You don't feel the cold at a certain point, right? The first real snow since the early hit in the month of November. A weird storm with strange banding of snow resulting in those wild snowfall amounts we saw earlier over the viewing area. On the low side, about 3 inches. On the high side, 10 inches. The average, about 5 inches. Up to space, southern storm system is rocketing off to the east-northeast. Out with the snow, just plain cold all night long, especially with the new fresh snow cover. And then we look to the north. The first of 2 Arctic cold fronts rip our way, arriving during the day on Tuesday, and a second front arriving Wednesday morning, opening the door to a massive Arctic cold outbreak. And that outbreak will include some light snow and flurries. So let's see what's going on for the week ahead, tracking the jet stream coast to coast. Only one feature that jumps out at us, and that is that intense northwest flow. Look at this thing. It covers the bulk of the nation, driving home the point that I thought February would be all about wintertime. And with a flow like that, that's what you get. For us, an intense Arctic cold front arrives Tuesday about midday. Another one even stronger Wednesday morning, resulting in intense cold, the coldest of the winter season so far. And I really think we easily go below zero Wednesday night, Thursday morning. Another southern storm system in play over the weekend, but typical of southern storms, lots of questions and lots of time to worry about it and watch it. Here's how we are looking at 9 o'clock across St. Louis. We're down to 12 degrees. We've taken a pretty good tumble this evening. 77% the humidity. The wind is calm, pressure 3018, and it is rising. The high temperature today, 21 degrees, not high at all, and the low is now that current temperature of 12 degrees across St. Louis. Tomorrow, the Arctic cold front definitely on the move, pushing north to south, coming through St. Louis about midday tomorrow. Not a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. It's pretty dry, so we'll deal with a changeable sky, though I do think there will be snow flurries or a little bit of light snow along the front, so don't be surprised if you see that tomorrow. Big feature as that front comes through, the winds will swing to the north-northwest. Temperatures tomorrow in the 20s and 30s across most of the bi-state region. Let's go 20s in and around most of the St. Louis area. I think we'll see a slow drop in temperature mid to late day. Warmest part of the day about midday tomorrow, right before that cold front comes through. Then bitter cold kicking in on Tuesday night, and even colder weather Wednesday night. Here's forecast for the rest of tonight. We'll call it mostly cloudy. 10 degrees for the low. A lot of the suburbs will fall down to about 6 or 7 degrees. Then tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies. Some snow flurries around from time to time, especially during the afternoon. 28 for the high, dropping during the afternoon hours. Tomorrow night, mostly cloudy. Still some snow flurries around. Bitter cold, 5. Will do it for the low. And bundle up ahead. Next 5 days, Wednesday cloudy, snow flurries again around, or a little bit of light snow anytime during the day on Wednesday with strong gusty winds. 12 degrees for the high. So we're 12 degrees right now in St. Louis. If you go outside, that's what the high is going to be on Wednesday. It's going to be very cold. -2 Wednesday night, though. I wouldn't be surprised to see some of the suburbs go down to -6, -7 degrees. Thursday, partly sunny, bitter cold, only 17 for the high. Friday, clouds, light snow, 28, light snow around Friday night and into Saturday at 35 on Saturday.
That -2 is the actual temperature.
That's the actual temperature, and that's the temperature in downtown St. Louis.
Yeah.
And that's an amazing number any time of year, but it's going to be very cold this week. Plus, I want to warm you up this week. Spring forecast coming up this Thursday night, right here on Fox 2 News at 9. A look at March, April, and May in St. Louis.
It's got to be better than right now, I would say.
Yes.
Oh, boy, we got a hint there, didn't we?
All right, look forward to that. A risky move on the